Oh my God, it's people. So welcome to, I guess if this was like a TV show or something, it would be welcome to season 11 of London DevOps. Previously on London DevOps. So yeah, 11 years we've been doing this. This is the first time, I don't think we've cancelled an event or postponed an event because of a strike before. Do you remember one, Mark? No, Mark doesn't remember one, I don't remember one. We kind of pressed on, but yes, I woke up last night thinking I'm going to be stood here telling my dad jokes to like 3 people who sat in the front row. So thank you to everyone for braving the terrible world out there with no tube. Oh my God. Who's come from a long way away? So I've come from Cambridge. Anyone come from further than Cambridge today? No? Yeah. Reading? Okay, yeah, we've got Reading. I know we've got an Oxford in the room as well. So it's one of those weird things where it's probably easier to get here from further away today. But there you go. But yeah, TLDR. Thank you everyone for coming and welcome to London DevOps Season 11. Woo! DevOps. So here's my favourite definition of DevOps. So it's quite up there. I've got a ThoughtWorks quote up there. It's actually been on these slides for a couple of years now. I'm sure you know Ken quite well, Keith. Yeah. So that's my definition of DevOps. If you have a different one, come at me, fight me. Who's heard more than 10? That was a joke, by the way. You're allowed to laugh. Oh. Okay, I'll take that. 101 different definitions of DevOps. This is my favourite one. So London DevOps, so we've been running since 2014, September 2014 now, with 4 very, very simple core goals, really. Those are they. Everything we do is recorded. Actually, not quite true, but mostly true. Sufficiently true enough to have a fairly well-stocked channel on YouTube. We'll put the talks up tonight on the proviso that I didn't break Mark's camera last time when I did the recordings, and the SD cards are still working. So yeah, if you want to go back into history, and even recent history, there's some really good talks from the last few meetups that we've had. We had a meetup over the summer online. There's a great talk about DORA, the DORA metrics from Nathan Harvey, which is the most recent video that's on there. And yeah, basically going back most of the last 11 years, all the talks are there. There's our code of conduct. Thank you to, I think Raju helped us get the latest evolution of this. So modest. Thank you to everyone who's helped put together the code of conduct. We've enforced the code of conduct 3 times in those 11 years. I'm sure tonight will not be an exception to that. Did I get my negatives right there? But anyway, every time I tell myself, and I tell you, don't make jokes about the code of conduct because it's a serious thing, and I've already screwed that up. So please read the code of conduct while I shut up. Can I make a joke yet? Okay, so consistently through those 11, 12 years, we've had an awesome organising team. And I mean the other 3 gentlemen there listed, of course, because I just stand up here and do dad jokes. So we're a little bit light on organisers tonight. But Mark is here. Say hello to Mark. Hello, Mark. Mark is filming. So yeah, these are the organisers. There's a couple of problems with this lineup. It's a load of white males who all have mostly have facial hair. We're looking for more organisers to help us spread the load, who don't look like us as well. If you are interested in hosting London DevOps, if you're interested in doing a talk or helping us financially with support for beer and pizza and venues and all that sort of good stuff, then please do come and talk to me and Mark. We would love to have those conversations. We have meetups lined up. We're not quite all the way to Christmas, but October and November are already locked in. We are looking for speakers. We need 1 more speaker for October and 2 for November. So if you're interested in doing something like that, then please do get in touch. Sponsorship. We are proudly sponsored by Prism Digital. I don't think anyone from Prism is here tonight. So Prism Digital is a recruitment consultancy. They place DevOps, DevSecOps, SRE type engineers into businesses, small and large. If you're interested, if you're looking for a job, if you've got right to work in this country, or if you're looking to recruit, then please hit me up and I can put you in touch with Prism. We're also sponsored by WeShape. Anyone from WeShape in the room? I already know the answer to this one. No, oh, somebody put their hand up, but they were just scratching their nose. Okay, so WeShape is a DevOps, DevSecOps consultancy. So they do larger projects similar to what I was talking about from Prism. So again, if you're interested in that stuff, then please do let me know and I'll pass on a message. So massive thanks to Prism and to WeShape who have been with us forever. Prism is run by Alex. WeShape is run by Jack, another guy called Chris. So that's that. Also sponsored by Adaptivist. So that's the company I work for. I don't think anybody...
it's on the back.
It's on the back. There we go.
There you go.
Excellent. Thank you to one of my colleagues who said, Matt Saunders, why are you wearing that shirt again? It's almost falling apart. But I like this one. He's like, Star Wars or Star Trek? I'm like, well, both. So Adaptivist, I'm usually here on my own from Adaptivist. All by myself. I shouldn't try and sing. But tonight I've actually got some friends from Adaptivist. So it is a real company. There are other people who work for Adaptivist. Say hello, Adaptivist people. Hello. Hello. Yeah. It's great working at Adaptivist. Hello. We're also sponsored by O'Reilly, who... we need to go through my task list. Who had the action to get more books off O'Reilly? Was it me or you? It was you, Mark. Get some more books from O'Reilly. Especially because we need to keep this slide in because if you look really closely, he blinks. Did anyone see it? We missed it. We always have to pause on this slide until he blinks. It always gets a much bigger laugh, that one, than any of the jokes. Any of the jokes I tell, I don't know why I bother with you lot. And also massive thanks to Lloyds. Let's just have a big round of applause to the Lloyds people for hosting us. Yeah. This is the correct version of the logo. Apparently, Lloyds have rebranded. Anybody know that? Not Lloyds people? Yep. Anybody know the difference between this logo and the previous one?
Yeah, it's solid black.
Is the colour changed? No, it's not that.
The horse.
The horse is the other way round.
It's looking back and now it's ahead.
Ah. Right, so I probably just spoiled everything that Jen is about to say. So Jen, along with the rest of her team, have been absolute superstars in organising this, putting this venue on, the food, the drinks, everything is Jen. Jen, stand up and say a few words about Lloyds.
I hope you're enjoying the evening so far. And I'm Jennifer Nicholas. I'm the DevOps engineering lead, and on behalf of Lloyds Banking Group and Personalized Experience and Communications Department, which we belong to, we are proud to host this DevOps meetup to collaborate with London DevOps and Matt. So we have been working for this for like 2-3 months.
It's been a while to get it together, yeah.
Yes, yeah, but good to see you all here, even in midst of all these tube strikes and weather, horrible weather. So thank you so much for coming. And as you all know, like Lloyds is one of the biggest fintech digital bank, and we are super proud to host this meetup. And about 97% of our Lloyds customers, they interact with us digitally through online and internet banking. So we truly strive to be at the forefront of the fintech innovation. So we feel like this is the perfect opportunity for us to open our doors, share our journey, and learn from the wider DevOps community. You will be hearing some of it from George's speech, which he'll be doing soon. And also, I'm looking forward for the talk by Keith as well. So, and get some good stuff from his speech. So yeah.
Wonderful.
And thanks so much, and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Lovely job, Jen. And I've just remembered, no, thank you so much, Jen, brilliant. I just remembered I was supposed to say fire exits are there, and their toilets are over there. So yeah, massive thanks to Lloyds, thank you. Who here is actually here from Lloyds? Yep, so we've got a few Lloyds people in the room, so if you want to talk to people about Lloyds, then you can probably tell because they've got different badges. So thank you to everyone who's turned out here. So in terms of London DevOps, who's here at London DevOps for the first time? Well, why did that get a laugh? I don't know.
From me, because
From you, because you've been to every single one of them. Yes, I know. So thank you to all the new people who are coming along, and thank you to the people who've come along again, knowing that you're going to have to listen to my dad jokes. So brilliant. We appreciate you all coming, not for that reason. Right, moving on. It's kind of conference season. Coming up, oh God, that's quite soon. That slide is wrong. My fault, because I should have fixed this. It's like next week, the week after next, DevOps Days London. So that's it's not associated with us. We're London DevOps, they're DevOps Days London. Although I'm kind of involved in helping out, and it's a bit kind of mixed up. But anyway, it's a brilliant conference. It's happening 23rd of September, 24th, I think, over at Imperial College, which is southwest somewhere. Change of venue, yes, correct. Change of venue. So yeah, over at Imperial College. Tickets are still available. It is not expensive. It's a community-run conference, run not for profit, and it's always brilliant. So please do go along to that. Also coming up is AI for the rest of us. Probably quite a lot of you know Hannah, who runs AI for the rest of us. So that's coming up for its second year. That's also at a different venue. It's going to be at the Museum of London this year. So just down the road from here. Again, so 15th, 16th of October. Again, it's not one of these expensive conferences where you're like, oh, we'll just put AI into everything and we'll just sell loads and loads of tickets for £1 million. It is affordable, it's a great conference, and I've got one ticket to give away if anyone wants to come to AI for the rest of us. So I think for that, whoever answers the best question, whoever asks the best question, I almost narrowed the pool of contenders to just two people there. Whoever asks the best question to one of these two wonderful speakers can get a free ticket if you want it to AI for the rest of us. For everybody else, please do take a snap of the QR and go and buy your tickets, please, 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 please. Okay, so yeah, tell us what you think about the meetup. If it's your first time here, if it's your 1157th time, like some people in the room, please tell us what you think, how we can improve, what you like, what you don't like. Tell me if you want to have more dad jokes. We'll have words later. Speaking of, where's Hamad? Hamad's not here. I feel kind of it's not like a proper meetup because, oh no, Hamad said he might be late, so Hamad will still be here. People who don't know Hamad, don't worry. Why did I go down this tangent? Please give us feedback, including on my senility. Meetup groups there. We're trying to use LinkedIn more because meetup emails tend to kind of like disappear sometimes, we find. So if you're not following us on LinkedIn, then please go and snap that one over there. Right, so on to the talks. So yes, two great talks tonight. I don't always say that. With such vigour. So two great talks. Keith from ThoughtWorks will be talking about why infrastructure is still slowing us down, and then that will be followed by Lloyd's very own George on developer-centric generative AI platform that they've built. So that's all coming up. So that's that. Again, thank you for everyone for coming along. We'll probably do one talk, then maybe have a quick drinks break and get on with the second talk. But for now, I'm going to hand it over to Keith. Thank you.